How to pre-launch money machine setup. Setting up a pre-launch money machine for your online course involves strategically planning and executing various marketing tactics to generate interest, build anticipation, and drive sales before your course officially launches. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up a pre-launch money machine for your online course. 1. Define your course offer. Clearly define your online course offer, including the course topic, target audience, learning outcomes, and pricing strategy. Ensure that your course provides significant value and addresses the needs or pain points of your target audience. 2. Create compelling course content. Develop high-quality course content that showcases your expertise and provides valuable insights or skills to your audience. Consider offering free content such as blog posts, videos, or webinars related to your course topic to establish credibility and attract potential customers. 3. Build an email list. Start building an email list of potential customers who are interested in your course topic. Offer lead magnets or incentives such as free guides, checklists, or mini courses in exchange for email sign UPS. Use email marketing tools to manage and nurture your email list effectively. 4. Create a pre-launch landing page. Design a pre-launch landing page dedicated to promoting your upcoming course. Highlight the benefits of your course, share testimonials or case studies, and include a countdown timer to create a sense of urgency. Collect email addresses from interested visitors to notify them when the course launches. 5. Offer early bird discounts or bonuses. Encourage early sign UPS by offering exclusive discounts, bonuses, or incentives to pre-launch customers. Limited time offers or special perks for early adopters can incentivize people to enroll in your course before it officially launches. 6. Generate buzz on social media. Use social media platforms to create buzz and excitement around your upcoming course. Share sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes content, and testimonials from beta testers or early customers. Leverage hashtags, influencer partnerships, and social media ads to reach a wider audience. 7. Host webinars or live events. Organize webinars, live Q&A sessions, or virtual workshops related to your course topic to engage with your audience and demonstrate your expertise. Use these events to provide value, answer questions, and promote your upcoming course to attendees. 8. Collaborate with influencers or partners. Partner with influencers, industry experts, or complementary brands to extend your reach and credibility. Collaborate on co-branded content, joint webinars, or affiliate partnerships to leverage their audience and drive more traffic to your pre-launch offers. 9. Create engaging content and marketing materials. Produce compelling content such as blog posts, videos, infographics, or case studies to educate and inspire your audience. Tailor your marketing materials to address the pain points and aspirations of your target audience and showcase the value of your course. 10. Launch a referral program. Encourage your existing audience to refer friends, colleagues, or family members to your pre-launch offers by launching a referral program. Offer incentives or rewards for successful referrals, such as discounts, freebies, or access to exclusive content. 11. Monitor and optimize your campaigns. Track the performance of your pre-launch marketing campaigns using analytics tools and metrics such as website traffic, email open rates, conversion rates, and sales. Continuously analyze the data and optimize your strategies based on insights to maximize results. 12. Provide excellent customer support. Offer exceptional customer support and communication to pre-launch customers to address their inquiries, provide assistance, and build trust. Promptly respond to emails, engage with comments and messages on social media, and ensure a seamless experience for your audience. By implementing these strategies, you can set up a pre-launch money machine for your online course and generate excitement, anticipation, and sales before your course officially launches. Remember to focus on providing value, building relationships, and delivering an exceptional experience to your audience to maximize the success of your pre-launch efforts.